What is one effect of pollution?
The damage that it does to the environment around us, for example, the skies or the rivers, also chemical pollution from factories and other establishments that might be around those things.
Health. When we talk about pollution, air pollution, people are affected in that they may have asthma, and there are some cities that have pollution problems, and people have been known to have health issues based on the quality of the air.
And in areas especially of like higher populations like Los Angeles, New York City, Mumbai, Shanghai, Beijing, there's already been reported upwards of over 1 million deaths per year because of pollution around the world.
Could light cause some of the same severity of effects? It can. Light pollution is an issue all across the world. What is one word to describe pollution?
Definitely detrimental.
Millions of hatchling sea turtles die every year by going in the direction of city lights instead of following the bright horizon over the ocean. A similar fate is met by birds colliding with needlessly illuminated buildings.
Unwanted.
Light for the purpose of safety can be counterproductive. Bright and poorly aimed lights can create perfect shadows where criminals can hide. A study by the city of Chicago found a correlation between criminal activity and brightly lit alleyways. Excessive lighting on roadways can contribute to tragic accidents, blinding motorists by glare.
Harmful.
Artificial light at night suppresses our melatonin production, disrupting our circadian rhythms. And several studies have linked working the night shift and exposure to light at night to increased risk for breast and prostate cancers and other health issues.
I am Matt Walker. I'm an assistant professor in the physics department at Carnegie Mellon. I'm an observational astronomer working on the dark matter problem.
What makes light pollution unique?
It's much less obvious. It doesn't stink. It's different than noise pollution. You don't hear it. There are lighting options that are much better for the light environment and cost effective. We have a lot of light pollution simply because people go with the status quo.
What is a challenge you've encountered due to light pollution?
When I go to Chile, which is where I use a large telescope for my observations, Chile is one of the best places on Earth to do professional astronomy. They have relatively dark skies, they have a desert climate, they have mountains, and these are the things we need for our observatories. However, within the last 5 years, primarily due to someone dropping the ball, the Chilean government constructed a toll booth system along the highway that runs right past the mountain where our observatory sits. And they installed lots of lighting along the highway, and especially at the toll booth here. And the toll booth happens to be located at the point on the highway that is closest to the telescope. And so this now lights up the entire ground layer where our telescope sits, and it's a clear annoyance to the observers, and does have an effect on image quality. And it just goes to show that even in Chile, which takes national pride in its astronomical suitability, they can let something like this happen.
Light pollution increases our greenhouse gas emissions and energy dependency. About 35% of light is wasted by unshielded and poorly aimed outdoor lighting. That's approximately $3 billion per year lost to sky glow.
And it creates like an artificial glow in the atmosphere where you can't see the night sky anymore.
Light pollution prevents us from seeing the stars. It prevents a lot of astronomers, I guess, from looking at the skies, and I mean like normal people that want to see the stars.
Look up.
উপরে দেখো
طلعوا لفوق.
Look up. Popatrz do góry.
Look up.
往上看
Look up.
See what's already glistening, and look up at what you're missing.